In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create multiple accounts for your children on YouTube Kids app. So if you have one account for your child and you'd like to go ahead and add another account, maybe of a different age group, it is pretty much simple on YouTube Kids app. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is just to go to your YouTube app and then open it. If you want to see all the profiles that you have, you can just tap on this profile icon here, and this will go ahead and list all the profiles that you have. As you can see, I already have one profile and I'd like to go ahead and add another one. To add another one, it is simple. Just head over back and then look for this settings gear. From this, go ahead and tap on it, and this will give you a mathematical equation that you have to solve as a parent. So I'll go ahead and solve this and then proceed by tapping on next. Under accounts is your current profiles for your children. As you can see, I already have this one and I'd like to go ahead and add another one. So to create another profile, just go ahead and tap on add new. So this will prompt you to go ahead, enter details for your kids to proceed and create another new account. Now, once these profiles have been created, each and every time you want to switch between profiles or accounts on your YouTube for Kids app, you just have to come under profile and choose the profile that you wish, or just come under settings and then choose the profile that you so wish to switch between profiles or accounts. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.